Hello and welcome. I'm Jarvis, and in my 20 years of working with SQL Server, I've seen that the most important step is the first one, getting it set up correctly. In this lesson, we'll do just that. By the end of this 18-minute session, you will be able to choose the right SQL Server edition for your needs. Install the database engine. Install the essential tool called SQL Server Management Studio, and finally, connect to your brand new local server. Why are we doing this? Because every database-driven application, from a simple website to a large corporate system, starts with a development environment. Mastering this setup is the first step toward building anything with data. First, we need to pick an edition. Microsoft offers several, but for development and learning, our choice is between Developer and Express. The Developer Edition is our top choice. It's the full-featured Enterprise Edition, but licensed only for non-production use, and it's completely free. Express is also free, but has limitations on database size and features. We'll be using Developer today. All right, let's begin the installation. Open your web browser and search for SQL Server Downloads. The first result should be the official Microsoft page. On that page, scroll down and find the Developer Edition. Click Download Now to get the installer. Now we'll run the installer. You'll see three options. We'll choose Custom to see what's happening, but the basic option works fine too. The custom installation gives us more control. The most important part is on the Feature Selection screen. For now, all we need to check is the Database Engine Services. This is the core of SQL Server. Next is a crucial step, authentication. You'll be asked to configure the server. Choose Mixed Mode. This allows you to log in using either your Windows account or a specific SQL Server login like the SA or System Administrator account. Make sure to set a strong, memorable password for the SA account and add your current user as a SQL Server administrator. This is vital for access. And here we arrive at the most common mistake beginners make. The installer we just ran only installs the server itself, the engine that stores data. It does not install the tool we use to interact with it. That tool is SQL Server Management Studio, or SSMS, and it's a separate download. The SQL Server installer often has a handy link that says Install SMS. If you click that, it will take you to the download page. If not, simply search for Download SMS. Download the installer and run it. The SMS installation is very straightforward. Just click Install and let it run. With both the server and our tool installed, it's time to connect. Open SSMS from your Start menu. A Connect to Server window will pop up. The server name for a local installation is usually your computer's name, or you can simply use localhost. Leave authentication as Windows Authentication for now, since we added ourselves as an admin. Now click Connect. If everything worked, you won't see an error message. Instead, the Object Explorer window on the left will populate with folders like Databases, Security, and Server Objects. This confirms you are successfully connected to your SQL Server instance. Congratulations! You now have a fully functional development environment. Now it's time to put this into practice. Your task is to perform the exact steps we just covered. Go and download the SQL Server Developer Edition and SSMS. Install both and then connect to your instance using SSMS to verify it's working. Pause the video here and give it a try. Let's quickly recap what we accomplished. We learned the difference between Developer and Express editions. We walked through installing the core database engine, focusing on mixed mode authentication. We addressed the common pitfall of forgetting to install SSMS separately. And finally, we successfully connected to our new server. You've built the foundation for everything that comes next. Thank you for joining me today. You've completed a critical first step. In our next lesson, we will explore the SSMS interface and run our very first query to bring back data. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below. I'm Jarvis, and I look forward to seeing you in the next session.